Hi, hello, vanakkam, adab. Welcome back to Voyager World once again. So today we are here with one more product. We are going to unbox one more product that is Boat 441 headphones, Bluetooth wireless headphones, which I've ordered in Amazon. Product for 1799, which is like 1800. You can take it. The actual cost might be around 2500 or something, but we got it for 1799. So today we are going to unbox it and let's see how it works, and we'll give the review. So without any delay, let's go for unboxing. Guys, before going into the video, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So without any delay, let's go for it. So guys, this is the product from Amazon. So let's unbox it fast. Guys, there you go, the product, and this is a noise. So this is Boat 441 twin wireless earbuds. Let's see. This is blue color, which I've ordered, which has a swift connectivity Bluetooth 5.0 version, IPX7 water and sweat resistant as per company, one touch voice assistant and advanced capacitive touch control. So it also has good secure fit as per company, pure audio, bliss 6mm dynamic drivers, and here we can see the charger, like 5 volts, 2 amperes, cable wire. It's 35 strands. We are getting Type C cable for this, and so here is the price, actual price as per company, but we got it for 1799. So let's unbox. We got the box, which is fully protective, and we got 1 year warranty card, and we got manual manual and both products in it, and this is a setup guide. I think this should be the charging cable. Yeah, we got even the earbuds, so we can just put according to our size, and we also got Type C charging cable for this. So let's keep all this aside, and this is the manual of Bluetooth connectivity, and then the problems which occur generally, and then the troubleshooting problems, the specifications. We'll see once again: Bluetooth version 5.0, IPX7 water resistance and sweat resistant, up to 5 hours playback per charge, and additional 25 hours with case as per company. which claims standby time 70 hours, transmission range 10 meters, and 6 drivers. It supports HFP, HSP, A2DP, AVRCP, 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz, 35 mAh into 2. So each battery, each earpod has 35 mAh into 2. So battery charging case 500 mAh. Guys, coming to the box. So you can see as soon as you opened you saw the lights, the pairing lights, and the box quality is good. This is made of plastic, good plastic material, but still which has a good connectivity. So this is what we got in the box. So warranty and all. So let's try this out, guys. And now let's connect to the mobile. So we'll just open the box. You can see it started to turn on, and so I'll just take out the left one. So the main speciality of these buds are, like, you can use it as monopod, you can use it as duopods, so no issues. It has a good magnetic facility also. So the moment you put it inside, it starts to charge, and you can see it has good protection, it will not fall. So now we are going to pair two buds to the phone. So let's see whether it got detected or not, guys. I'll just reduce the brightness. I don't know you can see or not. So here's the port 441, which you can see, and it's getting connected. So it got connected, as you can see. I don't know whether you can see or not. So this is what I got connected. Guys, these are very good, and the fit was so perfect. These buds are so perfect, and then it got perfectly got fitted inside of my ear. And the bass, the quality of the earphones are very good, and the noise cancellation is also very good. And you can see just with double tap the music got changed, so we can play with double tap, and triple tap we can turn on the Google Assistant or Siri. So it's very good and awesome. The sound is awesome. If possible, I'll just let me make you hear this. I'll just make you hear. Hope you can hear a little bit of sound. So this is awesome actually, and then the fitting is also very good. The design is very good, and then you can change. This one we got extra pair here. So we can change whenever we want. We can change the size buds according to your ear size, and this is how all about 441 Airdopes, and everything is so good. And call connectivity, I've tried it, and call connectivity is also so good. Call quality is good, and then the perfection, and it doesn't fall from your ear. So that's the best thing of 441 Airdopes. I recommend this product whoever wants to buy the best one under budget, so we can get it for 2K right now, which is going on. So in Amazon, you can buy for 2000, and in both official website you're getting for 2499 with offer, republic sale offer. So you can also visit the official site. So this is not a paid promotion, this is just unboxing and review from my end. So this is all about 441 Airdopes. So see you again with next new unboxing video. So till then, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Voyager World, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that you get updates every time whenever we post new videos. So that's all for now. So Kudafis, take care.